What's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you how to speed up your Windows 10 or Windows 11 system in 2021. So if your computer running slow or it's lagging or it's just taking forever to start up and it's just not working like it used to be, I'll show you few steps that you can do and it's going to make your computer faster. So first thing, we need to disable startup programs to reduce startup time. So we need to open Task Manager. In Windows 10, you can right click on Taskbar and press on Task Manager, and then this window is gonna appear. And if you are using Windows 11, most likely you just have to press on Start and type Task Manager. So here's an example. I got Windows 11, just press on Start and type Task Manager and just press on this app and it's gonna bring up same Task Manager. And then most likely your window is going to look like this. We need to press on more detail, and right here we need to press on startup, and right here in the startup you will see a lot of programs. In my case, since this is just brand new Windows 10 system, I don't really have anything. I had Microsoft OneDrive enabled, so what I did, I pressed on it, I highlighted, and then I press on disable. I would not recommend disabling Windows security notifications, and if you have many other programs, you're just gonna have to go through all of them and see which ones you're not using, or maybe you don't even know at all what are they for. You can just highlight it and then press disable, and if for some reason it's gonna disable something and something's not gonna work, you can always go back and re-enable it. So for example, OneDrive, we can click on enable and it's gonna be enabled on a startup. The next thing we need to do, we need to disable third-party services to speed up Windows 10 or Windows 11. It's going to be same thing. Press on Start and type msconfig and then open System Configuration. Then this window is going to appear. Right here we need to press on Services, and then in here we need to hide all Microsoft services. And in here you're going to see all the services that your system is providing. So for example, I have Lenovo system. It's providing Lenovo PM service and then Lenovo platform service. This one's already stopped. So what you can do, if you don't know what are those services for, you can disable all of them on a startup, or you can choose, for example, if you know you're using Mozilla and you need maintenance service, you can actually uncheck that, but in my case it's already stopped. Or for example, if you have biometric sensor and if you're using it, you can uncheck. But other than that, you can just press on disable all and it's gonna disable all of them. Then we need to disable animation. So to do that, we can either press Windows key and R and then this window is gonna appear, or we can press on Start and type sysdm.cpl and then press enter. Then this window is gonna appear, and right here we need to press on Advanced tab, and then under Performance press on Settings, and then in here we need to adjust for best performance, and then apply and OK, and then OK one more time. Then we need to disable transparency effects. So to do that, press on Start, go to Settings, and then Personalization, and then press on Colors, and then in here transparency effect is on. Just disable it, turn it off, toggle the switch, and that's it. And on Windows 11 it's gonna be similar. Press on Start, we go to Settings, Personalization, and then Colors, and then transparency effect is on, and we'll toggle the switch, we'll turn it off. So next thing we need to do, we need to choose high performance power plan. And this one I'm gonna show you on Windows 11, but it's gonna be same thing on Windows 10. So if you press on Start and then type Control Panel and open Control Panel app, this window is gonna appear. Most likely your icon is gonna look like that. We'll press on Category and then either change it to large or small icons, and then press on Power option here. And then you'll be presented with this screen, and then right here you can see that I have different options. Balanced, that's the one that's selected right now, it's recommended. Power Saver, or this one was actually hidden, so if you'll see it like this, show additional plans, you press on it It's going to give you high performance or ultimate performance. Just choose either high or ultimate and kind of play with your computer and see which one is the best and which one will work for you. I'm just going to press high performance and that's it. And then you can go back and it's already set. Then we need to defrag our hard disk drive to make Windows 10 or 11 faster. So same thing on both systems, just press on start, whether you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11, and type Defragment, and then open Defragment and Optimize Drives app. And then once this window is gonna appear, make sure you select C drive and then either analyze if it's not going to be grayed out, and if it is, just press on optimize and it's going to start optimizing and defrag your drive. In my case, it was very quick, but if you have like a regular, not SSD, but spindle, most likely it's going to take slightly longer. Another thing what we can do, we can run Windows Update. Windows Update will fix performance issues and various issues and bugs that Windows has. Usually Windows releases updates every Tuesday. So to do that, press on start, go to settings, and then press on update and security. And right here, you'll see this screen. And as you can see, mine is missing so many updates. And in your case, it might be just check now. And then once it's gonna find, you'll have to press on install now, and maybe there's going to be another option, for example, download and install, and you can do them right now, or you can wait and do them at nighttime when you're not using the system, because depends on how many updates you have, it might take a while. Then another thing I would recommend to do, this is also will help with your system. If it's running slow or laggy, press on start and go to settings, and in settings, press on update and security, and in here press on Windows Security, and then open Windows Security. Then this window is gonna appear, and I would recommend turn on app and browser control, and then you can press on virus and threat protection, and then it's gonna take you to this page, and right here just press on quick scan, and it's gonna scan your system for viruses, malware, and other unwanted programs. And for example, if it's not going to detect anything, but you still think that your system is infected or something, just download Malwarebytes or one of those free antivirus softwares and run it on top of your system. And I will put a link in the description below for Malwarebytes. And this is pretty much it. If this doesn't help to speed up your system, the last thing you can do, and I would recommend everybody else doing it if you can afford, and if you're running old hard drive HDD, to replace it with SSD. There are many different options out there. It all depends how big of a hard drive do you need. If you need 250 gigs versus 1 terabyte, the price will vary, but I'll put few SSDs links in the description below, just in case if you want to check them out on Amazon. And by replacing your hard drive to solid state drive, it's gonna make your computer work a lot faster. And the difference is HDD, that's an old style, it has the mechanical parts in it, and SSD doesn't have any mechanical parts. And this is pretty much it. If this video was helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.